So if you have some friends who can fit that shoe, then cut them bitches off. What you put out is what you get back. What you surround yourself with, that's gonna influence your life. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be doing a kind of chit chat, get ready with me, because I'm looking pretty busted right now. I just got back from Atlanta. We just moved into a new house. There's been a lot of things going on so far in the month of May. So today we're gonna be getting into a lot of things, you know, why I've been gone, where I've been. You know, if you follow me on Instagram, you probably know this video was coming, and if you don't follow me on Instagram, then I mean, what are you doing? I mean, you probably think I'm just ugly. I don't know. You also probably just don't fuck with me. I mean, which is okay. It's okay. But if you do follow me on Instagram, I do believe about 2 weeks ago I had asked for, you know, you guys to leave some topics in the comments stating what you wanted me to talk about, and a lot of it was like hair-related stuff. And for my first video back, I just kind of wanted to do, I don't know, I wanted to talk about like real life shit, you feel me? I didn't really plan this video out, so I'm just gonna be speaking off the dome. So before I get started, I want you guys to make sure that you like the video and you subscribe to my channel and you turn on my post notifications, because I mean, why the fuck not? I know I've been gone so long, I know, but I'm back. Okay, now before we get into what I really wanted to talk about, I'm just gonna, you know, kind of let you guys know what's going on with my hair. So the night before, I was really tired. I just washed it and then I threw it up in like a ponytail for a little bit until I twisted up. So these twists are looking kind of like, they look like some doo-doo twists because I slept on them, and they shrunk up. Like, they shrunk up so much, y'all. I almost never do my twists when my hair is still wet. It's always a dry twist out for me. But anyway, I use the Main Choice Tropical Moringa line, this right here. I use the leave-in, and then I also use this pearly braid out glaze gel thing, whatever. I've had this stuff for a while now. I just purchased it because this is what one of my subscribers recommended, and then I started seeing like other YouTubers use, and I was like, hey, I have that, let me go see how it works. And so I used it for a wash and go, and the very first time I used it, I mean, I didn't have any problems with it, and then, you know, the second and the third time, I was like, product just isn't meant for wash and go, at least not for me. At least my hair a little too like tacky and too controlled, and I like my hair to be fluffy, and I like it to have a little bit of frizz, you feel me? This is my first time using it for like a twist out. I was gonna use it for a braid out, but I didn't feel like braiding my hair. Also, before I unravel my twists, I'm just gonna clean up my hairline a little bit. This is a Andy's T blade, I believe. It's modified so that you can actually see the blade, so I can see what I'm doing. But yeah, so speaking of which, that is gonna be something else that I'm gonna be adding to my channel. Basically, haircut tutorials. Well, not like, I'm not gonna like turn into no 360 G's, you, none of that, but just like how I fade my own hair, how to fade your own hair, how to do, you know, line up your own hairline, stuff like that. That's gonna be coming to my channel within the next month or so. I'm gonna put on some aftershave spray and all that after the video, but for right now I should be good. Okay, so where I've been, bitch, not here. But for real though, I think in my last video, which was from 2 months ago, I talked about, you know, how my father passed away and how my grandfather passed away basically within the span of a week. Long story short, I was not over that whatsoever. Like, I don't know, I just I couldn't concentrate and do what I love doing without thinking of the loved ones that I lost. I was still grieving basically. And even after they died, there was still stuff going on, particularly pertaining to my dad and his estate and all that. And there's just like more stuff going on with his wife, which I'm not even gonna talk about her because the bitch ain't even worth talking about. If you guys follow me on Snapchat, I kind of spilled the tea as to what's really been going on. I'm not gonna explain myself to even more, thousands and thousands and thousands of people, because that's just too many people that don't know my business, you feel me? On top of that, my computer has been slow, like really, really slow, y'all. I actually need a new computer, and my computer has been an issue for roughly around 7 months or so. So even before my hiatus, I was still struggling to consistently pump out, like quality content, just for the simple fact that my computer would not allow me to. It took me forever just to do like a 10-minute video, So I really need a new computer. I had a friend check it out and he was able to clean it up just a little bit, so I'm able to use it as of right now, but it's still like really, really slow. But it's good enough just for me to, get some videos out, because that's what I want to do. Additionally, I just got tired of brand deals, y'all. And like, I'm not saying that to say that I'm no longer gonna be doing sponsored videos and stuff like that, because that is a lie. I'm actually in progress of working with another brand, a campaign right now. But just the back and forth and just like some brands thinking they could just take advantage of you and shit, like that just got so tiring. Like basically, I was still grieving. I needed to take just a step back from everything. And what's funny is, some people, I think they just do it for attention. Like they just say certain things for attention, because some people on Snapchat were like, oh, well, how can you just take a step back from your job, And it's like, I mean, I've been gone for almost 3 months, but I'm still getting paid. Like I manage. Sometimes mental health is just more important than anything else. You feel me? Oh, and by the way, these twists are not 100% dry. I did not realize that until I started unraveling them, but I can make it work. Plus, I don't really like doing twist outs like that, because the way my hair texture is set up is so soft that I can't hold the curl from the twist out very long. Honestly, this style probably wouldn't last for more than 2 days, even if I tried. That glaze is pretty good. Am I over everything, especially what happened in January? Hell no, because like I said, there's still stuff going on to this day, But I am, I'm in a better place now. I don't know, the timing of everything that has happened up to this point has just been really bad. I had intended on, dropping something very special in the month of January. It just never happened, and here it is in May, and it still hasn't happened yet. So just be on the lookout, because I'm dropping something very soon. I'm trying to work on like having a team. But of course, as we get closer to the actual release date, then, I'll be sure to like drop promos and stuff like that. Just so you guys will be in the know. Like I touched up on earlier, I'm just in a better place now. Like I'm actually happy now. That's what I'm trying to say. I'm actually happy now. The next thing that's really been on my mind is just truly understanding just how fake people really are. I know that's being very vague, but here's what I mean. So everyone, who is subscribed to my channel, they know I took a mini hiatus. I was gone, right? And so I literally had some people, come into my messages on some fuck shit, and they're like, active anymore, so I'm gonna unsubscribe from you. Like fuck, it's just not the wave. So when I do post some new stuff, then what? That's the equivalent of me saying, I like The Weeknd, but he hasn't dropped a new album in 2 years now, so I'm just not gonna support his music anymore. But when he does drop some new shit, then what? If you truly supported me, you're gonna stay subscribed to me and just wait for me to drop some new shit. Just make it fucking make sense, because what you're saying is not making sense. I don't know, that just really pissed me off. And there was like a lot of people, particularly on Snapchat, that were literally saying those exact words, like, oh, you're not active anymore, I'm gonna unsubscribe to you. And I'm just like, in the end, it really didn't bother me, because I ended up gaining much more than I lost. I really did, though. Another thing that I really learned from just, kind of isolating myself from a lot of people is just understanding my own value and my own worth. And that's something that I should have already been aware of, right? But I don't know, it just hits different when you've truly, boxed yourself away from everyone else. So what I mean by that is like, all right, I want each and every one of you guys to just take a moment, sit back. All of your friends who are around you, think of why they're around you. Is it because you guys truly share a prosperous relationship with one another, or is it because this person is only around for their benefit? Because, and what I'm getting at is like, there are so many times where I bust my ass to go, I go out of my way to help other people, but when roles were reversed and I need other people, there's no one around. You get what I'm saying? So if you have some friends who can fit that shoe, then cut them bitches off. And another thing is like, I don't know if you guys are into the law of attraction and all that, but like, what you put out is what you get back. What you surround yourself with, that's gonna influence your life. So if you have all these negative stressors around your life, that's how your life is going to be. You feel me? So let's just say, in other words, don't surround yourself with the wrong crowd of people. Leave yourself in a negative environment, because previously where we were at, it wasn't the best environment, and I noticed it really affected my work. It affected my work ethic. It affected my mood on a daily basis, just everything. So like, if it's shit that you can change the shit, you feel me? Another thing of what I'm trying to get to is like, for me, if you're a YouTuber, just understanding your worth. For like, all right, here's an example. Everyone knows what a PR is. Everyone who's an aspiring YouTuber wants to be put on PR lists because it means you get free shit, which is all good and all, but if you've been in the game for a while, like I've been on YouTube for almost 3 years now. You're used to getting free shit. You have shit. I'm telling you, I have like a salon's worth of hair products and shit in my bathroom right now. And these brands, what I notice is these brands, they'll reach out to smaller YouTubers and they'll send them free shit. They'll put them on their PR list in exchange for you to promote their shit for free, which is great and all if that's something that you're looking for. But when this is like your job, this is something you do for a living, they're getting most of the profit. They're benefiting off of this more than you, because you're exposing their product to thousands and thousands of people for not half a penny, not a fucking dime, nothing. It's free promo for them. I've been on multiple PR lists, and indirectly, I know I've been taken off a lot of PR lists because I don't promote shit for free. And I know some people are gonna say, oh, that's fucked up. Say what you want. This is my job. So if you can't respect that, move the fuck on. I feel like a lot of these brands nowadays, I mean, they make so much money. Their profit is so huge. I feel like a lot of these brands are using a lot of content creators, and we're just not aware. Speaking of YouTube, I do have a second channel as well. Some of you guys may be aware of it, but y'all, I've been vlogging for the past 2 weeks now, and I've uploaded about maybe 4 vlogs on my vlog channel. So if you guys really want to get to know the behind the scenes of what I do in my daily life aside from hair, then I mean, just check the DB or the I. I'll have it somewhere on the screen for you guys, but you know, I'm gonna be uploading very consistently on both channels. I just have to get my shit straight up. As you can see, I just moved in. Don't have any furniture yet. All I have is my mattress. I have not moved to Atlanta, just to clear any confusion. I'm not in Atlanta. I just moved to a new house with my family. So this is what my hair is looking like. It honestly doesn't look that bad. There's like a little bit of frizz, but I actually like it because I don't like when my hair looks too perfect, you feel me? So next thing I'm gonna do is just take my blow dryer. I'm gonna take this concentrator nozzle, and I'm just gonna, I don't know, just kind of add some shape, something to my hair. I don't know, we gonna see. I may fuck up my hair, I don't know yet. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. It probably doesn't look as good at I think it will look if I let this actually dry, but overall, for at least for twist outs, I would say this combo is a solid 9 out of 10. The reason why I say it's a 9 is just because for my hair, it left my hair a little too soft, a little too moisturized, you feel me? And then on top of that, my hair texture is already soft enough, so it's difficult for me to, you know, maintain a curl from doing styles like this. But aside from that, I really like these products. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my little chit chat, get ready with me, hair edition. I think I'm gonna start doing more of these. But yeah, you guys, I am back. If you guys enjoyed this video, then like I said already, give me a big thumbs up if these birds don't shut the fuck up. But yeah, I just want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.